Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll make sure that my microphone is working. Yep, it's working. This is kind of a mic check. No more, no sound. I changed connections and I finally replaced the plug on my condenser microphone. Yeah. It's not USB, it's professional. So it's a 4-pin double ground system. Now, you're not sound engineers, so you don't know what that means. Oh, my computer is toasty, toasty warm. Welcome. I think you noticed that I read and marked your writing assignment. Now, the majority of you, double, push, 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 push. Very good. A few of you, see you again next year. But majority of you, you can ignore that. Will raise my hand, and I want my project team speakers to raise their hands. Thank you. Long time no see, Mr. Jackson. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Good teamwork. Speakers, everyone I could hear. I saw everybody's eyes. But I'm so sad. You guys joined the meeting and you join, of course, with your camera on, and then you turn your camera off and you wait until 2:30 and you don't pay any attention to my background. I'm an engineer. My backgrounds are teaching tools. Speakers, greet the class. Two people. The first speaker and the final speaker greeted the class. How many of you said your name? Well, Larkin Sensei, everybody knows everybody. I don't care. This is practice for doing presentations. You do a job interview for Kumagai Gumi and you just start saying, please give me a job. I graduated from Kadai. I'm a very good engineer. No. Speakers greet their audiences. Now, your audience is your classmates, so you greet the class. You say your name. When you finish, you thank the class. You thank your listeners. When you do presentations, business presentations, academic presentations, government presentations, you always thank your audience. Okay? Okay? And gotta raise my voice, gotta scold, because this is an important point. I'm going to continue sitting down today. I got it set up. I could stand up and write everything on the whiteboard, but now this is an effective tool of communication. Two members used gestures. One member used gestures too much, but no, you're learning. I use gestures, but you have to control. Gestures are important in video communication because humans need to see movement. Now, two teams did really good presentations. Now, the speakers spoke well, but I was kind of scared because they never moved their body. If you look at the comments that I write in Manava for each individual, I read what you write. I told you last week or the first week, the best comment you can get from me is I can read your writing. If I can read your writing, that's 2 thumbs up. Of course, plus alpha. Yeah. And plus alpha means reading your thinking. And no, I have to rely on my experience. And if I see patterns repeated in numerous students' essays, I feel a little warning signal. I know what I'm doing. I'm not assigning writing assignments and reading assignments to torture you, or to bully you, or to control you. I'm doing it to help you improve your communication skills. I told you that last week. Communication skills are least practiced skills in junior high school and high school, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Is the system changing little by little? You come here and we, your instructors, want to see your thinking. It's a key point. We're trying to help you learn how to think. I won't tell you what to write or what to think. Critical thinking skills, critical reading skills. Now, on the A and B essays this week, none of you wrote that the article was too tough. On the C and D, especially the F essays, the first thing that they wrote was, "This article is too hard for me." Oh my God. What kind of job do you think you're going to get in the real world? Now, and that's the end of my scolding because the majority of you double 2 thumbs up. But saying that doesn't mean that there's not going to be an evolution in complexity. Your next challenge, you will have to plan your writing. Your next challenge, your reading and writing challenge, it will be a longer article. I will give you 2 weeks. And no, it doesn't start today, but I'm just preparing you, preparing your mindset, your zone of attention. This is a great time to be alive. But to balance out the great time, it's a terrible time to be alive. There are many, many difficult problems that your generation and using older generations have to try to solve, or your quality of life will go down.